Procurement and Contract Management, Exploring Strategies and Best Practices in Project Execution and Contract Handling, by Wahaj Faisal. Traditional vs integrated approaches. Design bid build, a 200-year-old method where design and execution are separate. Design is by a consultant, and construction is by a contractor. Challenge: conflicts can arise if design issues occur, as contractors may not take responsibility. Design build introduced in the 1960-70, this assigns both design and building to the same entity, like in EPC projects. Benefit: minimizes design construction conflicts by centralizing responsibility. Key procurement strategies: 1. Construction manager hired by the employer to oversee the entire construction process. 2. Project manager, a generic manager, not always an engineer, but skilled in project execution. 3. In-house, document construct, projects executed internally, common in government, using market resources. Specialized contract types. Separate prime contracts, common for small projects, engaging individual contractors for civil, electrical, or plumbing work. General contractors often use small subcontractors for specific tasks. Turnkey projects, similar to EPC, the contractor is responsible for the entire project, from conceptualization to execution. The facility is handed over fully operational, requiring minimal client involvement. Innovative funding models: 1. Build, own, operate, transfer, BOOT, investors fund, build, and operate facilities, e.g., highways, for 30 to 50 years. 2. Revenue recovery, investment recovered through tolls or other charges during the operation period. 3. Handover, the facility was transferred to the government, client after the lease term. Joint ventures and ethical practices. Joint ventures, multiple entities pool resources to execute projects. Pakistan Engineering Council, PEC, has a well-developed agreement document. Ensure the PEC agreement template is used to avoid disputes among partners. Unethical practices: coercive, using force, pressure to obstruct fair process. Collusive, bidders pooling for unfair gain. Corrupt, offering bribes, gifts. Fraudulent, misrepresenting, fake documents. Obstructive, using forces, e.g., unions, to hinder the process. PEPRA rules and principles. PEPRA rules apply to federal projects, with provincial PEPRAs mirroring these guidelines. Economy: best quality for the price. Efficiency or optimization: best value for money. Fairness: equal opportunity for all bidders. Transparency: publicly available information. Accountability: proper accountability for rule violations. Procurement planning and bidding planning. Proper activity and work plans, led by a senior procuring committee. Procurement, allowed since 2021, enhancing transparency and fair competition. Bidding response times. National bidding, minimum 15 working days. International bidding, minimum 30 days. Exceptions, reduced time for emergencies or national security. Bid evaluation and disqualification. Bid procedures: 1. Envelope, technical and financial bids together, lowest accepted. 2. Envelope, single stage, technical bids evaluated. First, the financial bids of qualified bidders. 2. Envelope, 2 stage, for complex projects, technical bids evaluated, TOR revised, then revised bids invited. Disqualification or blacklisting: bidders can be disqualified for incorrect documents or poor performance. Blacklisting, temporary or permanent, for fraudulent, corrupt practices or non-performance. Check PEPRA, PEC websites for blacklisted contractors before awarding. Thank you for interest. The knowledge of Engineer Wahaj Faisal.